So let's take Hanumat Todi. I have just taken two examples, one less than 36 and the other more than 36. Okay. So Hanumat Todi, so H will be 8 according to this one, this Katapayadi scheme, and 0. So the number is 80. So when inverted it will give 08. So 08 is the Melakartha number. Okay. Now 8 is less than 36. So therefore it will be M1. Because it is less than 36, it's a Shuddha Madhyama Ragam. Ceiling of 8 by 6 is 2. Because 6 ones,
Rama,
6 goes...
Do you want to use the word rounding up to the nearest whole number, rounding down to the
No, I
nearest?
think people get
No, that's why I gave an example. I think they understood. 12 by 5 is like 2.4. So when you increase 2.4, ceiling is 3. Just remember, ceiling is high and floor is low. You know, ceiling is higher than the greatest integer and this is lower than the lowest integer. You know, that's the way it goes. Excuse me? Okay. Okay. So ceiling 8 by 6 will be 2. 6 goes one time. The ceiling will be 2. And the remainder, so this is 2. So Re and Ga is the second combination, which is what? Re1 and Ga2, right? So what in essence your quotient is giving the chakra combination. The quotient gives the chakra combination and the remainder is 2. So Da and Ni would be again second. That would be again Da1 and Ni2. Is it clear? If anybody, you know, if it is not, it's very simple. You know, no need to memorize. It's absolutely simple. So if you don't understand, just raise your hands. Do you understand? All of you, is it clear to you? So that is for a ragam which is a Shuddha Madhyama Ragam. Similarly for, you know, a Pratimadhyama Ragam, Ma is 5, Cha is 6, so the number is 56 and on inverting that gives 65. So from the Katapayadi Sankhya it is 65. 65 is greater than 36. 65 is greater than 36, so that is a Pratimadhyamam, so that is M2. 65 minus 36, subtract 36. You may ask me, I'll explain. 65 minus 36 according to this, where did it go? This one, this pink statement. Number greater than 36, subtract 36. So 65 minus 36, that is 29. So ceiling 29 by 6, that would be 5. 6 fours are 24. So 1 higher is 5. So Re-Ga would be the fifth. Fifth will be the Re2, the Da2 and the Ni3. No, I'm sorry. No, Re2 and the Ga3. I'm talking about ceiling. So Re2 and the Ga3. Right? Yeah. And remainder is 5. So again it will be the Da2 and the Ni3. So for Mecha Kalyan, I didn't put the Aronam Avronam. So in this case the Aronam will be Sa, Re1, Ga1, Ma1, Pa, Panchamam, Da1, Ni2 and Sa. And the Avrohanam is again the mirror image. And here it will be Sa, Re2, Ga3, Ma2, Da2, Ni3 and Upper Sa. All of you, is it clear? Was it clear? You may say, why I subtracted this? Why did I do that? You don't need to do that. Provided you just remember that, see here we are only talking about the Re-Ga and the Da and the Ni combinations when we talk about the chakra numbers. And if you, the first chakra and the seventh chakra, they vary only in what? Only in their Ma, right? The Re and the Ga, they are the same. So if you just put 6 here, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So 1 is nothing but 7. So you don't need to do the subtraction at all. So you can say 65 by 6. So ceiling 65 by 6, 6 will be 11. So Mecha Kalyani belongs to the 11th chakra, which is again the same combination. 11th will be the 5th. As opposed to you're getting 5 here. it will be the 11, which is the same as 5, and so you will have the Re 2 Ga 3 combination. So you can eliminate this step. No necessity. So is it clear? So okay, next we go to the exceptions. Okay, what I was talking about the exceptions, these are the ragams which have something called half letters. Like, you see, it is not, like the first Melakartha was Kanakangi, but this is not Ratanangi, this is Ratnangi. And that's what I mean by a half letter. You understand, right? What is Ratnangi, Suryakantam, Sura, it is not Surayakantam, it is Suryakantam. So that is what I mean by half letters. As per, if you have to strictly apply the Katapayadi Sankhya, what are the two syllables which have to be taken into account? Ra and Ta, but it is not the case. Ra and Na have been taken into account. Here, similarly, not the Sa and the Ra, but the Sa and the Ya have been taken into account. And that is why that's why I have just said half letters ignored, and they are exceptions. But on the other hand, half letters are considered in some of them. Like for instance, this is Chakravaham. This is not Chakaravaham. It's Chak. And the syllables which are considered are what? Cha and the Kha. So there the half letter is taken into consideration. The same with Divyamani, Vishwambari, Shanmukhapriya, Simhendra Madhyamam, Sa, Ma, Sha, N, Chitra, Cha and Ta. So that is why I put it under a separate column. So I think that was it. That concludes my presentation. Any questions? Okay.
That formula which you used, can you do an example which does not include like the Re and in Re 1, Da 1, like the same type of Re and Da, like instead of Re 1 Ga 2 and then Da 1 Ni 2, can you do like Re 1 Ga 2 Da 2 Ni 3 or something like that?
Amma, what is different? So different. Like, Da 2 Ni 3 will be. See, you're talking about this, right?
Yeah. But like instead of the same types of Re's and the same types of Das, and can you do like one Re 1 Ga 2 Da 2 Ni 3, like.
Yeah, that the formula is taking into account
like, because that example. Water.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, like.
Oh, you mean to say my quotient and the remainder were the same? Is that what you are trying to say? Yeah, you can go. Probably, I mean, that
because
so happened that
you just derived it without.
Oh, you mean to say that here the ceiling and the remainder